guys, and welcome back to my channel and another YouTube video. I am at the Waffle House. My husband is treating me on this Saturday cloudy afternoon. No, it's not a Valentine's treat, but it is just because we want to just get away from the house a little bit, and you know, sometimes we want to get away. Anywho, I am having a lemonade. Can you see it? Y'all, it don't really look like lemonade though. And he's having a Diet Coke. His look like a Coke, but mine, look at this. Okay. Whatever though. Anyway, Valentine's Day is on Monday. I know everybody is ready to celebrate the day of love. But let me tell you, I love my husband. I love everybody. I'm a loving person. Y'all should see hearts in my eyes right now because I'm just that kind of person. But anyway, you know, they set aside a day like for special treatment, I guess. You know, that's what it is, a special treatment day. You know, the stuff that you would normally not do probably throughout the year, that when Valentine's Day comes, then you just like go all out, so to speak. Like balloon, heart, candy, teddy bears, you name it. Hot dates. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. And yeah, we just wanted to, honey, how are you doing?
Great.
He says great, y'all. He's doing great. He's with me. How can he not be doing great, right? He's my Valentine. My Valentine. Y'all stop. I'm gonna stop because he's gonna say that I'm embarrassing him in a minute. Which I like to do that. I like to put him on the spot sometimes because I'm a fun person like that. But anyway, when our food get here, I'm gonna show you guys what we're eating. Then I got some other things to throw in the video. This beautiful, beautiful ring that my sister got. It wasn't that expensive, but I'm gonna put it in here, y'all. It was sparkling, like I needed some shades to put on. You know what I'm saying? It was that kind of sparkle. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm about to show you what we got. Look at this plate. Look at my husband's plate. Hey, did they put the bacon on yours? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, we're gonna say our blessing and we're gonna get into this. Father, thank you for this food. Bless this meal, oh God, that we eat, Father God. We thank you for being able to come out, oh Father, today and just share this moment, Father God. And we ask you to bless this meal that we eat. In Jesus' name, in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Alright, now guys, we're about to dig in and eat.
Because God already showed me the vision.
Mm-hmm.